Hello students, I am Shikha Jain from Mata Mohan Dehi Osal Public School. I am chemistry teacher. Welcome to Mata Mohan Dehi Osal Public School YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the topic crystalline solid and amorphous solid of chapter number 1 of class plus 2 science. Chapter name is solid state. Before discussing about the crystalline solid and amorphous solid, first we discuss about what are solids. In your lower classes you have learned very important properties of the solid. Like first property, solids are rigid and they have definite shape. Means solid वो क्या होते हैं, rigid कठोर होते हैं and they have definite shape. The intermolecular distance are very short and they have intermolecular forces are strong. Means in the solid particle the particles are joined like this, in which the space between the particles are very small and the intermolecular forces are strong. Solid maintain their volume independent of the size and shape of the container in which they are placed. Means solid है वो अपनी shape को, अपने size को maintain और अपने volume को maintain करते हैं in which container you can place. मतलब हम solid को जिस container में भी डाल दें तो उनकी shape, size और volume है they cannot change. Solids are almost incompressible. हम solids को compress भी नहीं कर सकते. Solids are heavy, high density. Particles in the solid state are fixed and they can oscillate about their mean position. मतलब जो solid है उनकी जो state है, particles है solid state में वो fix होते हैं and they can oscillate. Oscillate means ऐसे, जैसे हम घड़ी में करते हैं ना, ऐसे ऐसे वो क्या करते हैं, अपनी mean position के around oscillate करते हैं. Solid have negligible fluidity as compared to gases and liquid. The diffusion of the particle in the solid state is negligible. So these are the common properties when we discuss about the solid. On the basis of these properties, the solids first are classified into two types: amorphous solid and crystalline solid. First we discuss what are crystalline solid. The crystalline solids are those solids in which the constituent particles, the particles may be atom, ions or molecules, have the regular orderly arrangement throughout and it can repeated again and again resulting in a definite pattern. We can also that they are long range order. Means the solid in which the particles है उनकी जो arrangement है वो regular होती है और जो उनकी arrangement है वो repeat again and again repeat होती है, जिससे हमें एक definite pattern मिलता है. तो इस वजह से इन सॉलिड्स को हम लॉन्ग रेंज ऑर्डर भी बोलते हैं. द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ नेचुरली अक्रिंग सॉलिड एग्जिस्ट एज क्रिस्टल. द फ्यू एग्जांपल्स आर सोडियम क्लोराइड, कॉपर सल्फेट, डायमंड, सल्फर, शुगर. इन सोडियम फॉर एग्जांपल इन सोडियम क्लोराइड the sodium and chloride ions are located in the alternate position, like sodium chloride, sodium ion, chloride ion, sodium ion, chloride ion, then sodium ion. फिर then chloride ion, sodium ion, chloride ion, sodium ion, chloride ion, sodium ion, chloride ion, then sodium ion. So these are the two dimensional arrangement है, but they also extend in a three dimensional. The crystalline solid are also known as a true solid. इसको हम true solid भी बोलते हैं. For example, like यहाँ पे देखो जहाँ पे इसकी arrangement है, representation of long rays quartz है. तो लॉन्ग रेज में जो इनकी जो पैटर्न है दे आर डेफिनेट, ठीक है, बट अगर इन शॉर्ट रेज में करें तो इन जो इनकी ज्योमेट्री है दे आर इरेगुलर. तो सेकंड टाइप ऑफ सॉलिड इज अमॉर्फस सॉलिड. तो व्हाट आर अमॉर्फस सॉलिड? दीज आर द सॉलिड इन विच द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स डू नॉट पोसेसिस द रेगुलर ज्योमेट्री अरेंजमेंट. यहाँ पे देखो कोई रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट है? नो. एज अ रिजल्ट अमॉर्फस सॉलिड हैव इरेगुलर शेप. But in some cases they may have still region of orderly arrangement in which they behave like crystalline solid. Such regions are called crystallates. Thus amorphous solids have called short range heater. मतलब in some region the some particles are regularly arranged, but in some region they are not regularly arranged. ठीक है. So in this ways amorphous solids are also called short range order. The examples of amorphous solids are glass, rubber, starch, cellulose, plastic and proteins. We now discuss about the crystalline. Distinguish between the crystalline solids and amorphous solid. The first is geometry. The crystalline solid has the definite and regular geometry throughout, and thus they have long range order like this. They have regular pattern, so they have long range order. On the other hand, the amorphous solid do not have a orderly arrangement, so they are short range order. The melting point have sharp melting point because but amorphous solids such as glass and rubber have their melt over a temperature range. Isotropy. The substance which have the same physical properties such as electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, magnetic strength, refractive index in all direction in space is called isotropic, and this property is called isotropy. And the substance which have these property in a different direction in different, they are different properties in different direction, they are called anisotropy, and the property is called anisotropy. No, the crystalline solids are anisotropic because in making measurement in definite direction, the particles which fall on the way are not same. मतलब जो पार्टिकल्स हम अगर ऐसे रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट में करें, यहाँ पे पार्टिकल्स के देखो कितने हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 है और इस साइड सिर्फ 2 है. दे आर नॉट ऑर्डरली सेम, सो दे आर अनाइसोट्रॉपिक. बट जो अमॉर्फस सॉलिड है दे आर आइसोट्रॉपिक एंड देयर फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आर सेम इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस. Next property is cleavage. The crystalline solid can be cut with a knife in a regular sharp edge tool. मतलब इनको हम एक अच्छे तरीके से कट आउट कर सकते हैं. But amorphous solid have irregular arrangement. So this is the main point of distinguish between crystalline solid and amorphous solid.